Hey foodies, welcome to Cooking Shooking. There are times when you crave for something, and serious crave I'm talking about, and you just can't stop. You have to have that dish right now. Just a few days back I was craving for something with banana and chocolate, so I thought why not make some banana choco chip muffins right now itself. So I just made it and it was marvelous. So today let's make some banana choco chip muffins. It's moist, it's soft, it's very delectable. We're going to bake it in the pressure cooker or idli cooker, and we're going to bake it in the oven as well. I'm going to show you both ways today. So let us start making it. So those were the ingredients. Now let's preheat our cooker for baking the muffins, and I'm going to give you instructions for oven as well. So let's start preheating the cooker at first. So here I have my trusted little idli cooker. I'm going to heat it up in medium flame, and then I'm going to add in the salt. Just a quick little spread. Now I'm going to place the wire stand and the perforated plate as usual. And my old little perforated plate goes in. Time to close it up, and we're going to preheat this for about 10 minutes or so, or until we are getting ready with the batter. And while this is preheating in medium flame, let's preheat the oven as well at 200 degrees for 10 minutes in bake mode. So we're going to begin making the batter. For it, here I have half a cup of milk, to which I'm going to add in a teaspoon of vinegar, and let me keep this aside for a moment. So we're going to add in the dry ingredients to another bowl. A cup of plain flour maida, 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Give it a good mix around. So next up we want the bananas. So here I have a banana, and we are going to need about half a cup of mashed bananas. So let me take a good sized banana, and we are going to mash it using a fork. No need for a very fine mash. A little bit of chunks here and there is totally fine. We are going to measure it now. So that's exactly half a cup, maybe a little over it, no issues. I'm going to add it to the milk mixture. So now we're going to give it a good mix. To this I'm going to add in our vanilla essence and our 1/3 cup of oil. Mix it around all well. So all the wet ingredients are well mixed as well. Now before we mix both the dry and wet ingredients and make the muffins, let me share the size difference of the muffins. This is the normal cupcake size, and this is the one I'm using today. This is self-standing muffin liners, and you don't need to balance it with using a aluminum one or a normal one that I usually talk about. So this you can use as it is, but what is the size difference? Well, this is 3 times bigger. So a normal cupcake liner is this, a regular size, and this is 3 times bigger. So with this recipe you are going to get 4 of these, and if you are going to make normal cupcake sized, and then you will get it 12 of them. So I'm making 4 of these today. So let me take 4 of these out. So now we are going to mix both the dry and wet ingredients. So before mixing it, let me add the choco chips to the dry ingredients. A little over 1/4 cup. 1/4 cup is totally fine, but a little over it is really good. So kind of mix the choco chip once in the dry ingredients. Now I'm going to pour in the wet ingredients. So I'm to mix it all well together. No hardcore mixing required, just a little mix is all fine for it. So now I'm going to pour the batter into the liners. So I have divided the batter into 4 liners. So now I am to sprinkle over just a little bit of walnuts, totally optional. You can also sprinkle choco chips if you wish to, but I feel that crunch of walnuts is totally delish in this. Oh yes, here I am using frozen walnuts. These are right from the freezer right now. So these are all ready to bake. Let me transfer 2 of these into the cooker and 2 of them into the oven, and let's bake these. So our cooker is all preheated and ready, it seems like. So these 2 are inside. Let me quickly close this. So now I'm going to bake this for about 18 to 20 minutes in medium flame, not the low flame, not the high flame. It's not low to medium as well, it's just medium flame for about 18 to 20 minutes. So these 2 are going inside the oven. Let me place this inside. So they are in the oven. So now I'm going to bake them for about 18 to 20 minutes at 190 degrees centigrade at bake mode. So I'll be right back after it is baked. So it's been about 20 minutes. Let me switch off the flame. I have actually tested it about a minute ago. Just a few crumbs were left. So let me check it now. Looks delish, and it looks like it is completely baked and ready. Yes, it is ready. So now we are going to get it out. So our muffins are all baked and ready. Let me show you the difference between the two, from the cooker and the oven. These are from the cooker. They have got a golden color in them, and here we have the oven ones, and these have got a brown color in them. I personally like the golden ones from the cooker. It's all up to your preference, and they have baked equally good, and the aroma is really delicious as well. So we're going to just wait for it to cool down completely. After that we're going to serve it and enjoy. So our banana choco chip muffins are all ready. Crunch from the almonds, melting chocolate, and the softness from the banana. This is totally awesome and very soft and moist. Make sure you try this. Let me enjoy this. You can check out the text recipe on our website cookingshocking.in. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe. It's free. Bye.